Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ronny. Stay tuned. Today we are going to learn about Excel, basically the introduction to Excel. Let's open Excel. I think I can first extend this a little bit here. So let's open Excel. You go to the start button, then you tap on Excel. You want a blank workbook, tap on it, it opens there. So I want this work to be visible very well. I want to increase first the font size before I do another thing. Alright, so Excel, where you see here this line, this part you see, this is what we call the column, and this other part, this horizontal part you're seeing right over here, this is what we call the rows. And where a row and a column meet, it's what we call the cell. Alright, Excel is arranged in sheets. So we have sheet 1. If I can add sheet 2, I can add sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, up to sheet 6. You can continue adding like that. Alright, let me get a work such that we can get to know Excel very well. This part here is what we call the formula bars. So I think I can put in some work here just to make you know more about Excel. So I can put here 1, the next one 2. Alright, let me get some names here. Hope you on the watch, because I want you to know about this very well. Like I think it is not I want you to view this very well, because let me first increase the font size such that you view this very well. Alright, hope it is now very clear. Right over there you can see the names, whatever. I think I can also get here the subject, maybe SST. I also get here a subject like science. I also get a subject like English, just for introduction. Maybe math, MTC, sorry, M, MTC. Alright, so let me first try to extend this up to maybe here. So the names here I can give Mr. Ronny. So the second name I can give Mr. Odeke Julius Peter. Alright, maybe SST One Ronny has got 78, maybe 67, English maybe 89, then mathematics basically maybe 90. Alright, this one maybe has got 79, science maybe 56, English 89, then MTC maybe 76. Alright, to get the total, let me try to extend this right over here. In Excel, we use a formula to get this total, and the formula is equal, watch this clearly, sum, then you open a bracket. We want the total from here up to here, so we close this like this and we press enter. Alright, you see right over here I can now autofill just clean. You can see it right over there. This Excel helps us a lot. We can also get the average. You can also get the average right over there. We want to get the average, sorry. You want to extend this like this. All right, to get the average, I press equals, then I write average. I can open the bracket like that. I want the average based on the total. You see it right over there. I close that bracket, enter. You see my average right over here. I can just autofill, and if I tap here, you see my formula right over there on the formula bar to get the average. All right, that was basically the introduction to Excel. All right, stay tuned. I think I can also, just to make you know that this, I can also add another one here, 3, and I put here Mr. Opio. If I want to add another one, Opio Alex. So Opio Alex, I can give him here 4, 4, 4, 4. All right, if I want the total, I just come and tap on here, autofill. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 16. If I want to get the average, the same thing, I just come here, autofill. You see my average right over there based on the total just. Alright, that was basically the introduction to Excel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. Be keen, wait for the next video. We shall help you on how to make a report card as a class teacher.